Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Apple report for Friday, December 30th, 2022. Before I jump into the charts, just want to ask you to please click like each and every time you watch the daily Apple report or the daily Tesla report. It helps us out a great deal in being found when others search for, Apple or Tesla analysis on YouTube, along with the other videos that we put out periodically. But every day, daily Apple, daily Tesla report. Subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel if you haven't already. It'll provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded. And if you would, share the content with friends and colleagues, be greatly appreciated. So let's take a look at the big picture here that we did essentially close in on, and on one measure, test long-term support, that 125.14 descending channel bottom. Been an objective now for the last couple of months. It is the start of a range all the way down to 120.27, 123.08, of course, long-term channel bottom. On the weekly chart, you can see 120.27, a rising two-thirds speed line off that March low. This is bottom-picking territory. We have closed in on it by one measure, and from here we can rally back nicely as we move into January trade and even later Q1. I don't think it's over yet, though. Let's take a look at a different chart here. This says a lot. 131.19. A 1.5, 2-week descending channel top that can today contain buying into later next week. And from here we can fall off again over the next 3 to 5 days, holding below 131.19, 123.08 in reach. 123.08 is really part of a range that begins at 125.14, as you can see in this wide zone, about 5 points wide, from 125.14 down to 120.27. This area able to absorb selling through Q1, possibly into later 23, and from here we should recover nicely. A settlement today above 131.99 would indicate 136.15 within just 2 or 3 days. But I think after having tested long-term support this week, actually on Thursday, a settlement above 131.99 will likely be the beginning of a rally, 1 to 2 weeks, 3 at the very most, back into the mid 140s. 136.15, though, is well suited for aggressive day traders. So this is your swing trade if you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader. Selling 131.99, buying 125.14 all the way down to 120.27. In fact, this area is great for not only swing traders, but for long-term investors who are looking out several months and beyond. Once again, this is a good zone of long-term support. Now, if we do, once again, close above, I'm jumping all over the place, I recognize, close above 131.99, 136.15 is likely within 1 to 3 days, and 144.56 within 1 to 3 weeks. 144.56 is our new long-term descending one-third speed line projected off the all-time high from about a year ago. And so this is the image that I like to show, actually. If we close today above 131.99, I think you can gear up for a 2 to 3 week rally into the 144.56 area, where we could top out into February and fall off again. And so that is kind of the big picture. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Apple report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. If you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, position trader, know that closing above 131.99 is your green light for the mid 140s, anticipating healthy containment along the way at 136.15. Now, as per usual, all the minor points have been carefully chosen, and they all have meaning, but these stand out the most. Holding below 131.99, we can and probably will over the next 3 to 5 days fall into this 123.08 region, which is sort of an average between 120.27 and 125.14. If we close above 131.99 within 2 to 3 weeks, 144.56. And the last thing I'll say about that, 144.56 would be a meaningful long-term buy signal if we settled above it. But in terms of there's two things to do if you're looking to invest in Apple, for instance. Most of you are day traders or swing traders. But if you're holding a position for months on end, you're either bottom picking the territory that we've already dipped into this week, 125.14 down to 120.17, or you're buying on strength, secondary strength above 150.47. If we can close above 150.47 over the next couple of months, then we have a 2 to 3, 3 to 5 month buy signal into the upper 170s again, which is our new long-term resistance based on this week's low. I think that pretty much summarizes it for Friday's Daily Apple Report. Please click like if you would and subscribe. I'll be back Monday afternoon with Tuesday's Daily Apple Report. We have a long weekend. You have a great New Year's weekend, and we will talk soon.